Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use banners, headers, and footers on Substack. This is essential if you want to give your newsletter a professional, branded look that your subscribers will recognize instantly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to your browser and type in substack.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with the publication you want to customize, as these settings are unique to each newsletter. After logging in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Click on Dashboard. This will open your dashboard in a new tab, giving you access to all the management tools for your publication. The dashboard is your central hub for controlling everything from posts to settings. Now, staying on that left side menu, click on Settings. This section is where you can fine-tune how your newsletter looks and behaves. It's packed with options, but don't worry, we're heading straight to what we need. Once you're in Settings, look again at the left side menu and click on Emails. This is the area dedicated to customizing how your email newsletters appear when they land in your subscribers' inboxes. It's one of the most important sections for branding your publication. You'll now see an option labeled Email Header and Footer. Right beside it, there's an Edit button. Go ahead and click Edit. This will open up the customization interface where you can make your newsletter truly yours. Let's start by adding a banner. Look for the section labeled Banner Image and click the Upload button beside it. Select the banner image you've prepared from your device and upload it. This banner will appear at the top of your emails, so choose something that reflects your brand or the tone of your newsletter. Once you've selected your file, wait until the upload is fully complete. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this might take a few moments. Don't rush to the next step until you see confirmation that the upload has finished. Now, let's move on to the header. You'll see a section labeled Header with an Edit button beside it. Click Edit. This is where you can input any text you want to appear at the top of your email, like a tagline or welcome message. Type in your header text and then click Save to lock it in. Next, do the same thing for the footer. Scroll down to the footer section and click Edit beside it. Here you can add or modify the text that appears at the bottom of your emails. This is a great spot for links, social media handles, or an unsubscribe message. Once you're happy with it, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully customized the banners, headers, and footers for your Substack newsletter, giving it a polished and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.